You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right. And now, here's your host, Drew Carey.
Hey, welcome to the show. Nice to see you guys. Thanks for tuning in at home. Let's get this show started with the first prize up for bids today on The Price is Right.
All right. You can digitize your home movies and watch them on this new TV. Now you can safely digitally preserve your past with Legacybox, simply by converting your video recordings and photos to a thumb drive, DVD, or digital download with this 20-item mail-in kit. Plus, this 32-inch HDR QLED smart TV has a 120 motion rate and quantum dot technology.
Yeah, hey, look, it's Amber and Devin. Devin and Amber.
Hey, everyone.
Hey, good
Nice
morning.
to see you guys. Good morning.
Good to see you.
The TV goes to whoever bids closest to the actual retail price without going over. We're going to start with you, Jose. Go ahead.
$1,550.
$1,550. Good luck. Elisa,
$1,200.
$1,200. Good luck. Edgar,
I'm going to go with $850.
$850. And Zamia,
$1,250.
$1,250. Hey, that sound means somebody got their bid right on the nose. It gets an extra $500 at the end of the show. Actual retail price is $1,200. Elisa. Hi, Elisa. Welcome to the show. How's it going? Very exciting, right? Congratulations on the extra $500.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll give you a check at the end of the show.
All
Don't
right.
worry, we're good for it.